Good morning, students. How are you? I hope so. You all are fine, right? So, how's your online classes is going on? Speak out, Sanskriti. It's good. Parleen, are you attending every class? So, what is the experience? Tell me, students. Good. Very nice. Givansh, are you getting any benefit of these classes? Oh, very nice. So, can you assume what we will be do today? Are you looking on the board? What I have done? I have made something now. One box, yes. So, what is our topic today's? What is our topic today's? Do you know? Any guess are you having? Yes, we are doing the puzzle and some magic square. This is also a puzzle, number and puzzle games. As our topic name, chapter name is playing with numbers. We will be playing with the numbers, right? Lots of games are there. You have seen in the newspaper also there is a sudoku, there is a magic squares. So, and patterns, we will be follow today that thing. Okay, before starting the chapter, I want to tell you the thought of the day. As usually every day I have to take. So I'll be go with the thought, that is educational thought. Education opens up the mind, expands it and allow you to improve you life in so many ways. Means education is that which open your mind and which can improve your life in many ways. If you are literate, you can get lots of opportunities. So I want to repeat this thought once again. Education opens up the mind, expands it and allow you to improve your life in so many ways. Is it clear? So I'm going to take the recap of the previous class. What we have done in the previous class. Yes, what we have done? Who can tell me? Aditya, can you tell me? No. Why? Try to concentrate, beta, what we have done. Givansh, what we have done? Yes, coding, decoding, journal form. If the number is 1, 2, 6, as we have done 2-digit and 3-digit number in it. So, can we write in journal form? What is the journal form? Vaibhav, can you tell me what is the journal form? Yes, very good. So, what is a journal form? This is at 100 place. 1 multiplied by, or we can take as 100 places there. So, 100 multiplied by 1 plus 2 at 10th place. 10 into 2 plus 1 into 6. Accordingly, we have written 1s, 10s and 100. That's right. This is the journal form. Or we can say this is 100 plus 20 plus 6. When we will be add up, we will be get the same number. Right? Next, what we have done? Coding and decoding. Okay? If the word is, I told you according to the alphabet, you have to give the numbers. Okay? So, you can form the any word. Why we are using the coding and decoding? For sending the secret messages. Right? So, we can take lots of examples through it. So, I am going to start with the new topic, that is number and puzzle game. Today's topic is number and puzzle games. This chapter you can enjoy your home. At home you can enjoy because we are playing with the numbers only. Okay, so open your book, page number 44. Page number 44. Number, puzzles, riddles and games are source of entertainment and recreation. This is the thing written. Why we are doing with it? Because it can entertain us. It can give recreation. Recreation means manoranjan. Okay, students spend hours sharing puzzle and riddles with one another and feel happy and satisfied by giving the correct answer. There is no set rule to solve the such problem. There is no set rule to solve the such problems. Using presence of mind and applying logic, underline, there is no set rule to solve such problems. Using presence of mind and applying logic, one can solve these puzzles quickly and easily. That's right. If you are using your logics, using your brain, then you can solve easily. There is no set rule to solve the puzzles, okay, or the number game, whatever you are playing. Okay. Now I am taking, so what will we write down in it? Heading will be there, number and puzzle games. Then there is no set rules to solve such problems using presence of mind and applying logic. One can solve these puzzles quickly and easily. Beta, every day you have to keep with you your maths book, so that whatever I am saying underline, that you have to underline and then write it in the notebook also. Clear? So I am having the example number 5. This is what number comes next. What number comes next? What next I am writing? Okay, what next I am writing? In short, A part is 1, 3, 5, 7. I am writing its next number. So what is it? Plus 2, 3, plus 2, 5, plus 2, plus 2 will be do. So what will we get? 9. Because in this, the pattern they are following, in which we are adding 2, 2, 2. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, and 7 plus 2 is 9, right? Next is B part, 2, 4, 8, 16. What is the pattern? 2 2s are 4. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. 16 into 2 is 32. That will be the next number. Is it clear, students? Now, C part. I am going with the C part. This is C, 2, 5, 8, 11. C is, it is given to us 2, 5, 8, 11. Next number, 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. And 11 plus 3 is 14. What it will be? 14. D part is, what is the number? 81, 27, 9, 3. Next, what we have to write down. See, what is the something they are following with whole the series. Okay. In that they like 3 plus 3 plus 3. Before that also something multiply by 2. Similarly in it. Now this is in reducing order. Is it? It is in reducing order. If we know the table, we can do only 81 divided by 3. What will we get? 27. 27 divided by 3. What we are getting? 9. 9 divided by 3. What I am getting? 3. Now if I am doing 3 divided by 3, what I am getting? 1. It's clear, students? This is the way to solve the puzzles or the pattern. Next, E is, you can play really very nicely at home. 4, 5, 7. Next, 10. Next number we are going to write down. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. And 10 plus increasing order में हम add करें. We are adding in increasing order. Earlier, first of all, we have add 1. Then with 5, 2. Then with 7, 3. Then with 10, what we will be add? Yes, very good. 4. What we are getting? 14. This is your example number 5. Student, this is complete the Sudoku puzzle. Okay. In that, what we will be doing? We will be make in it 6 columns and 6 rows are given. Means that is 36 boxes. Okay. If we are having the Sudoku of 6 by 6. This is 6 by 6 because 6 columns are there and 6 rows are there. That's why we can say this is the sudoku of 6 by 6. Right? Which I have circled the number. That numbers are given to us. In sudoku always they have given few numbers and they can say ki solve it. So how we will be solved? We will be take in it only 1 to 6 numbers. Only number 1 to 6 we have to take. Not more than that. If this is 9 by 9, then we will be take 1 to 9 numbers. It depends on the number of boxes, number of rows and number of columns. Accordingly, we have to take the numbers. As it is 6 by 6 sudoku, so we will be use only number 1 to 6. So we can make the group of 3. This is 6. As it is of 6, so I have opted this 6. Then second box, this is of 6. Means we can make 3 separate boxes. Am I right? Now, which is the number is given to us? Similarly, in it one group is this. Okay. And second group is this. And third one is this. Clear? Students, we have to do in this way. The number in this row 6 and 2 is given. Okay. In this row 5 and 6 is given. In this row 6 and 4 is given. In this row 5 and 6 is given. In this row 1 and 4 and here 3 and 5. So whatever the number, if I am talking about this column 1, 6 and 5 is given. So I will not repeat that numbers again and again. Other than 6 and 5, I have to use 1, 2, 3, 4. Because 5 and 6 are we are having. Similarly in this, 6 and 2 is given. So what number we will be use? 1, 3, 4, 5. 2 numbers we are having already. So means I want to say the numbers which is given, we will not use other than that number we have to use. And by putting, we will be checked. Okay, because there is not perfect any rule. Not a set any puzzle or any rule. So I have started with this. I have put up 6 and 5 is there. So I started to put up because 6, 2 is here also. I don't want to put here 6 and 2. इस रो में भी 6, 5 है, इसमें भी 6 है, तो मैं यहाँ 6 नहीं लगा सकती थी. मैंने ट्राई किया. I have put up here 1. Okay. Afterwards, what I want to put here, I want to put here 1 is already and 5 is already. I tried to put in this way कि मेरा जो इस रो का, इस कॉलम का सम आएगा, वही इस कॉलम का आना चाहिए, वही इस कॉलम का आना चाहिए और वही इस कॉलम का. Same, all the 6 column sum should be equal. जो first column का आएगा, that all will be followed. See, accordingly I have put up the numbers. बेटा hit and trial method we have to follow only. लगा के देखेंगे कि कौन सा नंबर है और कौन सा नहीं है. हमने इंसर्ट किया. लकीली मैंने इंसर्ट करने शुरू किए तो मेरा क्या आया? 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 2 17, 17 plus 4 21. Now here I have put up 1 and 4 are already there. So I tried with the numbers 4. Before number मैंने कहा चलो लेके देखते हैं. उसके बाद यहाँ पर मैंने क्या किया? 2 and 3 put कर दिया because यहाँ कहीं नहीं था 2 and 3. तो 2 sorry. So I have put up here 3, 2 and here 3 because given numbers are 5 and 6. Column wise I have started to solve. 9 to 11, 3, 14, 1, 15, 6, 21. See. अब मेरे ये 2 कॉलम कंप्लीट हो गए. नाउ आई एम गोइंग फॉर द 3. 6 and 3 ऑलरेडी आई एम हैविंग. यहाँ 3 and 5 मैं ऑक्यूपाई कर चुकी हूँ बिकॉज 5 इज गिवन. नाउ लेट्स ट्राई. 6 भी था मेरे पास. आई थिंक कि आई हैव टू पुट अप 2. आई हैव पुट अप हियर 2 एंड सिमिलरली 6 and 2 वी आर हैविंग एंड 5 4 आई एम हैविंग. आई ट्राइड फर्स्ट. यहाँ 3 मैंने पुट करके देखा और देखा कि क्या मेरा सम आ रहा है. 3 पुट नहीं कर सकती थी क्योंकि 3 ऑलरेडी गिवन है. तो मैंने क्या लिया? मैंने आई हैव पुट अप हियर 3 भी मेरे पास है इसलिए नहीं लगा सकती थी और 2 भी मैं नहीं लगा सकती थी. सो आई ट्राइड विद द 1. क्लियर? नाउ सिमिलरली हियर 5 and 3 is I am having and 6 is I am having. Okay, I can't put up here 2 because already I have put up here 2. Okay, now what is remaining? I am having 4 and 5. So I tried 4 and 5. I have to put up. When I have to check 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 5, 18, 18 plus 3, 21. Similarly, I have to go for the next. हम प्रीवियस वन से देखते जाते हैं कि हमारे वो नंबर्स रिपीट नहीं होने चाहिए जो हम अर्लियर लिख चुके हैं. सिमिलरली अगर मैं यहाँ पर एडिशन करती हूँ 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 2 13, 13 plus 3 16, 16 plus 5 21. The sum of each column and each row will be the same. हमेशा कॉलम को भी आप चेक करेंगे और रोज को भी चेक करेंगे तो आपका सम सेम आना चाहिए. हमारा सम क्या आ रहा है 21. व्हाट इज द सम ऑफ 21? इसका भी सम ऑफ क्या आ रहा है 21, 21, 21, 21, 21, 21. Similarly in 821, 21, if you will be check the sum, they all will give you 21. So the sudoku also the way to solve by the hit and try, not a set pattern for it. If you are having, you can tell me if you are having any set pattern. Student, example number 7 is, can you solve these puzzles in your mind without writing them down? Write your answer in the empty box. You have to fill the empty box. So I want to tell you the step to you. Okay. So what is the step? I have followed 16. First number I have kept here as it is. When I am dividing 16 by 4, what I am getting 4. 4 4s are 16. Right? Now what is it? 4 into 6. I have multiplied. That is 4 6 are 24. I got 24. 24 minus 19 I have done. What is it? 5. Right? Now when we got 24, what I will be do? 12 minus 10. Then subtract from 19. 19 minus 12 minus 10. What is it? 19 minus 2, that is 17. Then 17 minus 10 I have done. What is it? 7. Clear, student? This is only nothing else. Only you have to use presence of mind. Right? Student, its B part is 12 divided by 6 plus 15 multiplied by 4 minus 20 plus 7. What it will be? 55. How it will be 55? 12 as it is we have to write down. Then 12 divided by 6. What I am getting? 2. 2 plus 15. This is 17. 17 4s are 68. 68 minus 20 48. 48 plus 7 55. But in previous question also you can follow the same method. Okay, but some students create the problem that in the book it is given the same. So ma'am has not done, that's why. I can clarify more to you that question number, question number 7 A part. Because we want to follow the same continuity. Okay. Student, first number we have to write down as it is 20. Now what will we do? Next 20 plus, yes, 13. 20 plus 13. What it will be? 33. 33 minus 5. Very good. 33 minus 5. What it will be? 28. Now next 28 plus. 28 plus, speak out 17. Very good. 28 plus 17. What it will be? 45. Right? Next 45 minus 13. Good. What it will be? 32. And 32 will be multiplied by? Very nice. 32 multiplied by 2, which gives us 64. So what will be the box? In box we have to write down 64. Clear, students? So I want to discuss its A part in the same sequence again. Student, A part I want to tell you again back. This is 16 divided by 4 into 6 minus 19 plus 12 minus 10. What will be filled? This will be 7 as told you earlier. So 16 I have written as it is. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 4 is there. 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. Right? 24 minus 19, 5. 5 plus 12 is 17 and 17 minus 10 is 7. That's all. Only you have to follow this one method. Previous method little bit problematic, so I have thinking I'll be go with the same pattern which I followed in BC part. Okay. Now student, next is pattern in numbers. Our next topic of today's today's topic, that is pattern in numbers. We will be follow some pattern in it. Like 1 into 8 plus 1 is 9. That's right. Now we are increasing, see whatever I have written. Next is 12. इस 1 के साथ हमने क्या लगा दिया 2. This is 12 into 8. This one number will be same. This one number will be in increasing order, whatever we are adding. And by which number we are multiplying, that will be always same. Multiply by 8 only. 12 8s are 96 plus 2, 98. See, this is only 9, then with 9 reducing order 8. 1, 2, 3. 12 के साथ हमने क्या लगा दिया 3. So it becomes 123 multiplied by 8 plus 3. What it is? 987. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 into 8 plus 4. What is it? 9876. Similarly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Multiply by 8 plus 5. This will be 98765. This type of pattern we have to follow. Now next number I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Multiplied by 8 plus 6. What it will be? This is 98765. If actually you will be solve, you will get the same number. This is called the pattern. You will be follow. You can go till the 9. Clear students? So we have to follow this pattern till the 9. Now pattern B is when we are multiplying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Means what is it? 1 crore 23 lakh 45,679 by 9. What we will be get it? What? Yes, 11 crore 11 lakh 11,111. Right? Now next pattern, this pattern I have explained to you in the activity where we have followed in square and square root the pattern activity. Okay, 11 square is 1 to 1. 111 square is 1, 2, 3, then back to 1. 1, 1, 1, 1 whole square means 1111. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1 is there 4. Then backward 3, 2, 1. Similarly, if I am writing 5 times, then I will be go first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Then I will be go backward 4, 3, 2, 1. This type of pattern we have to follow till the last. Clear? How many times if we are writing 1? 9 times. Then we will be go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This will be the product. If you will be do actual multiplication, then you will be get the same. Next pattern is dividing a number by the number obtained by reversing its digit gives a square number. Means we are having the number 8712. If I am taking its reversing 2178. Whatever the number is given, this is 8712. What is its reverse? 2178. When we are dividing both the number, I am getting 4. If I am taking any number and I am dividing by its reversing number, so I will be get the square number. Means 4 is a perfect square number. Means 2 square. Okay. Similarly, 9801. What is its reversing? 1089. So we will be get the 9, which is also a perfect square number. Means square of 3. That's right. This is the pattern we have to follow. Now student, next pattern is reversal of digits in both factors. Reverses the digit in the product. Like 3, 1, 2 and 2, 1, 2, 2, 1 are the two factors. If we are getting the product of that number is, that is 68,952. Now I am taking the reverse of 312. This is 213, 213 and 221, that is 122. And if we will be do the multiplication, we will be get the reverse 25986. Actual multiplication if you will be do, you will be get the same. Next pattern is like sums of consecutive squares. Like 3 square plus 4 square is equals to 5 square. Next number we have opted 10 square plus 11 square plus 12 square. This will be 13 square plus 14 square. See, if there is 2 digit, its product will be 1 digit. Okay, it means the square of 1 digit. Here I have taken 3 digit, here I have taken 2 digit. This is depend on the number of digit which is in the left hand side. Now next 21 square plus 22 square plus 23 square plus 24 square. It will be in consecutive form, but 4 numbers are there. At the answer there will be 3 numbers square. 25 square plus 26 square plus 27 square. Is it clear? Our next pattern is sum of consecutive squares is a square. Means 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 24 square. It will be 4900. If their square you will be add actually, then you will be get 4900, which is the square of 70. Similarly, 18 square plus 19 square plus 20 square up to 28 squares. The sum up of all the square is 5921, which is equal to 77 square. This pattern, if you are having in your brain, you can play easily with these games. Next pattern, every number can be written as a difference of 2 squares. Like 32 is equals to square of 2 numbers, that is 6 square minus 2 square. Then if you will be solved, you will be get 32. Similarly, 17 square of 9 minus square of 8. When you will be find it out and take the difference, then you will be get 17. Similarly, 6. Because 6 we can't get directly, that's why I have taken the fractional number. 7 by 2 whole square minus 5 by 2 whole square. Then we will be get the 6. Similarly, 2 more patterns are there. In a triangular pattern and square pattern. You will be follow and do it by your own. There is no problem. Only dotted by the dotted you are making triangular pattern and the square pattern. So you will be do by your own, but it should be in the notebook. Is it clear, students? Now I will be go for the magic square. Now magic square I am going to explain. Magic square, in that I will be explain to you 3 by 3 magic square and 4 by 4 magic square. In 3 by 3 magic square, this is the sum is 30. Okay, 10 3s are 30, so I have taken at the center 10. Okay, that's why I have extended at the middle, at the top, at the left, at the right and at the bottom. I have extended. I will be tell you how we have to solve. I will be take other than 10. There is 8 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I will be divide the number. First 4 number which is less than 10 and next 4 number which is greater than 10. I will be start like 2, 4, 6. Okay, this is 8, 10, 12. Right? Now next will be, what it will be? The next number, see again I want to tell you the pattern. This is 2, 4, 6. Then 8, 10, 12. Next what I will be do? Yes, speak out. Anybody can tell me? Yes. From here, what I will be right now? 14, then 16, then 18. Now I want to fill up the numbers. These are the additional boxes. I will be remove that boxes. What I will be do? See, I have to make other group, other box again. This is of 3 by 3 magic square. 10 is there. This 6 is here. It will becomes here. So I can write 6. Okay. This 14 will be goes here. 14. Let's check the sum. 24, 6, 30. Each column, each row sum should be equal to 30. Similarly, this 2 will be goes here. This 2. And this 18 will becomes here. 18. Now check 28 plus 2, 30. Now what is it? 4 and 12 as it is we are writing. 12 plus 14 is 26 plus 4, 30. And 8 and 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. 22 plus 8, 30. Clear? This is the way to solve 3 by 3 magic square. Clear, students? That's right. Or anyone is having any doubt? I hope so clear. So now I am going to solve magic box of 4 by 4 whose sum is 68. Okay, in that we will be take the numbers 2 to 32. Okay, 2 to 32 I am taking and I will be try to adjust the number accordingly so that I can get the sum 68. Okay, this I have assumed ki I will be take it. But if I want to make the group, as the sum should be 68, what I will be do? This 2 should be here. As I have told you, I will be take. Before that, I can do one more step. whatever the number I have taken, I have adjusted that number. So we will be do step 1 each. Okay students, step 1. We will be adjust all the number which is given. Oh, that is 32 also beta. I have erased from here. So 4 columns and 4 rows are there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. The difference of 2 I have taken. Now what I have done? I have adjusted the number at the last. Both I have interchanged. 32 kahan gaya in place of 2 and 2 kahan gaya in place of 32. Similarly, 8 is at place of 26 and 26 will be at. Similarly, these 4 numbers also I have interchanged. 12 and 22 interchanged, 14 and 20 interchanged. Remains rest number will be the same. 4, 6, 10, this is 18 and this is 10. Okay, 16, 24 and 28, 30. Let's check the sum is 68 or not. Nothing you will be do. Only first of all you will be arrange the number and the first and the last opposite corners we will be check and interchange here also. Similarly in between the central square box. 12 and 22 interchange, 14 and 20 interchange. Let's check. How much? 42. 42, 8, 50. 50, 10, 60. 68. Similarly 36. 36 plus 6, 42. 42 plus 6, 48. And 20, 68. How much? 32, 10, 42. 42 plus 2, 46. 46 plus 20, 66 plus 2, 68. The sum is right. So this is the way to solve 4 by 4 magic square. First of all, you have to take the number because 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4. How many square boxes are there? 4 4s are 16. So I have taken the 16 numbers in the form of even numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, the table of 2 I have. And I have arranged all the numbers. And then first here and this one last. Opposite corners interchanged. This 2 it was here now and this is 32. So 32 I have placed here and 2 here. Similarly 26 here and 8 here. 8 was there. Now at the center box also. In place of 12, 22 I have written and in place of 22 I have written 12. In place of 14 I have written 20 and in place of 20 I have written 14. And rest numbers remain same. Clear? I hope so all the concepts are clear. I have told you the patterns. I have told you the series. In that also you are following the pattern. And now I told you the magic square. You will be do all the thing in the notebook and you can play this game also. This is really very easy. And sudoku also I told you. That's right. So please follow them. And thank you. Have a nice day, students.